Redcat Rampage XB, and just finished breaking it in, and I just broke it. Hit a pothole pretty good, and I flipped the car over, and it cracked the servo saver. And upon taking it apart, I noticed that the servo saver was cranked down all the way from the factory, making it useless. So the shock, this took all the impact because this spring was too tight. So this should be it's so tight I can't even loosen it with my hands. You should be able to turn this with your fingers. Jesus. So scratch it all up, why don't we? Okay, it should be enough to at least turn. Nope. It's good now. So, I'm going to replace these with aluminum. See, it's made to separate. See those lines? It's made to expand, or designed to expand apparently, so that it flexes on this. See, there you can, now it's doing its job. Sort of, the best it can do. It takes the shock and springs back. But brand new out of the box, they cranked it down so tight, and look at this, they Loctited it. How freaking stupid. I hope you can see I'm sending this back now. I'm sending pictures to these people. This is incredible. They Loctited an adjustable servo saver and made it a servo destroyer practically. They're lucky this piece of plastic broke first. Alright, I'm gonna pull that away real good. There you go. Maybe I'll get a new servo saver out of it, because this is, excuse my French, bullshit. That's blue Loctite, no less. I don't know my Loctites off the top of my head, but one of them's permanent. Maybe it's not blue, maybe it is. Someone might comment. But after I get new parts, I'll try to film the reassembly if I think of it. Thanks, Redcat.